Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can exploit port number 22, which is a default port for the SSH service. Basically, SSH stands for a secure shell. SSL is a cryptographic network protocol which is used to securely connect to a remote computer or any server. So today I'm going to show you how you can exploit a SSH server via brute force attacks. So I'm going to demonstrate brute force on SSH using a Metasploit framework as well as a Hydra tool. So let's get started. Let's suppose you are testing any application or any server and you found that a port number 22 is open, and you can also enumerate the service version or service version of the particular SSH server. So here you can try a multiple attacks, like you can try a null session attack, or you can try a anonymous login, and you can also try to brute force the SSH connection. So here I am going to show you how you can brute force the SSH using first we go with the Metasploit framework. So just type msfconsole to start your Metasploit framework console. In a Metasploit, there are multiple modules related to SSH service. So you can just search for SSH and you can get a number of modules which you can use to enumerate, or you can also use to exploit the SSH, the particular SSH version or SSH service. So here we can try to grab a scanner which is like used to brute force, or which is used to log in into SSH. So just search for SSH, and you can see there is a particular auxiliary module to which is used to brute force the SSH. So we are going to just use the particular module. Okay, so just let's sort what are the options we need to set to start brute force. So first of all, we need to set the host, our host, which is 192.168.29.150. It's our vulnerable SSH server. We can also set some other options, like we can also check for anonymous login, we can check for blank password. Oh, so that type of option we also can make it true. Here we can also set the stop on success equal to true. So basically, a stop on success equal to true means whenever you get any credential which is any correct credentials, then our brute force attack is going to automatically stop. So now we need to set our password files which contain all like common weak password and the username file. So we just set user file which is contain the usernames or common usernames, and password file which contain common or weak passwords. Okay, now again we just write show options, and we are good to start our brute force. So you need to enter run command to just start a brute force attack. So here, as you can see, we successfully found a correct username and a password for the SSH. And we can also try to open the session using sessions. We just need to first identify which are the session ID is running, and then you can just type simply session -I to interact and then ID number. And it will take like 1 or 2 minutes to get a cell. Also, so This is how you can exploit a SSH server via brute force using the MSF console or a Metasploit. The same thing you can achieve with a tool called Hydra. So I'm showing you like how you can use Hydra to brute force the SSH. So for that, you first of all you need to install Hydra, which is a very simple. You just if you have a Kali Linux or any Debian based Unix, you just type sudo apt install Hydra to install Hydra tool. Okay, I already installed it, so it will show you like it already installed. But if you don't have a Hydra already installed, then you can just simply install it by command apt install Hydra. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how can use the Hydra. So just type Hydra, then hyphen L. Hyphen L is stand for the user list of the username. So you need to give the username list. Then hyphen P is for a list of passwords. Enter the IP address of your SSH server, and in the last you need to specify like which service you want to brute force, it's SSH or FTP. So now just need to, and also you can use -v to set the verbose mode on. So here like, as you can see, we can get the same username and password using the Hydra tool as well. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.